Often difficult to imagine what lead a friend, family member, or celebrity to commit suicide. Often, many factors are combined to lead a person to the decision to take their own life. It is often an act made during a storm of strong emotion and life stresses. While there are many factors that influence a person's decision to commit suicide, the most common one is severe depression. Depression can make feel a person great emotional pain and loss of hope. There is other mental illness besides depression can also play a role in suicide. For example, a person with schizophrenia or other illness that produce psychosis might be hearing a voice that commands them to kill themselves. Second, bipolar disorder, an illness in which a person experiences alternating periods of high and low moods. It can also increase a person's risk for dying by suicide. Third, borderline personality disorder is another condition with high rate of suicide. Eating disorder, including anorexia and bulimia, also have a high rate of death by suicide. Traumatic stress. A person who has had traumatic experience like childhood sexual abuse, rape, physical abuse, or war trauma is a greater risk for suicide even many years of trauma. Drugs and alcohol can also influence a person, making them more impulsive. Other reasons may be ending romantic relationship or close friendship, being unemployed and unable to find a sufficient source of income, financial problems, losing social position, academic failure, or being arrested and imprisoned, hopelessness. These reasons may be behind the decisions of taking their own life. But besides all these reasons, I want to give my personal message to everyone who is listening to me that never speak harsh words. Don't share hate and negativity. Don't make fun of anyone. Don't taunt anyone. Because you don't know how much your words is going to affect to that person. So think before you speak. Because words can heal and hurt both. So the main purpose of this video is just to aware about the causes of the suicide. And if you see this kind of symptoms, reasons and clues in anyone that is around you, please go, talk to them, try to find the answer, help them how much you can, try to make them aware and try to inspire them to live their life. Thanks for watching.